ahead and do it, है ना? तो तुमने जब ये बुक लिखी, क्योंकि ये अभी आप 15 साल के हो, राइट? बट सोचा तो पहले होगा. ज़रा मुझे बताओ, व्हाट वाज योर एज एट दैट टाइम, और क्या चल रहा था ज़िंदगी में? तुमने कहा कि नहीं और प्रॉब्लम. एक तो वैसे ही स्कूल बहुत ज़्यादा काम होता है, देन यू हैव थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, योर फ्रेंड्स आर कॉलिंग यू एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. क्यों तुमने ये सोचा, और क्या एज थी तुम्हारी उस समय? अच्छा, in the meantime, how many people here write? By a show of hands. Wonderful. Oh wow. See, ये मैंने पहले भी कहा, कल भी मैंने ये कहा, और आज भी मैं यहाँ फिर से कह देता हूँ. अगर आप कल नहीं थे तो ये पुणे में ही हो सकता है कि हाँ, और स्टेज से तालियां बजती हैं. मतलब जो लोग यहाँ बैठे होते हैं वो ताली बजाते हैं आपके लिए कि यार कमाल के लोग हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट्स पुणे फॉर यू. बताओ क्या था वो टाइम एंड योर फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड एंड एज. सॉरी.
When I started writing, I was 13 years old in the pandemic, last 2 years. And school was online. So I had a routine fix, like the whole week, same routine. And the mindset, like I love to read. I love literature. In my house, I only read books. I tell everyone, read, please read. They're so good, but like, सबकी choice होती है.
Are you calling out your mom here in front of everybody?
Father. So yeah, I was the one who used to read a lot. I have 2 libraries at my home, big shelves full of books.
Wow.
And so yeah, and I was reading one day Dan Brown, my favorite author. So like I started wondering that if I would write this for myself, and if I would show that to everyone, how happy would I be?
Yeah, it's a good. I think. Can we have a big round of applause for this one thing that she said? Go on, Mokshita.
And plus, my father encouraged me to write. He used to give me a topic every day, any topic, and I used to write on that. If I needed some help, I searched on Google or any website, and I'll take help from that, and I wrote it down. Any topic like aviation industry, parliament, federal, and G7, G20, anything he would give me. So I had the habit of writing down things. And then he started just change this into poems.
Oh.
So the topics come randomly to me, and I wrote that simply. And this book is full of randomness. See, basically this is a theme book. A theme is leading them, but my book, there's no theme. So the topics are like, I'll give some examples. When the rain falls, I wondered what would the sky will say to the earth when the raindrops fall on the earth.
Oh wow.
So this could be converted into a poem.
That's a beautiful premise. By the way, you're on point when you say this, Mokshita, because let me tell you, I interview and talk to a lot of authors, poets, and that's how it should begin. You're on point. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I started writing, and when I started writing, it turned out to be good. I got some confidence that I write good, so I continued that. I took help like from many people, searched on like different books. I read how to write poems, but my writing style is just freestyle. I write anything.
Yeah.
I didn't have any writer's block. That all that shit is that happening with all the writers. मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ. It's just cut to cut simple thing. If that line doesn't suit, I just cut it and write another line. Just that.
Yeah, why
Simply,
not?
There's no such thing as writer's block or something.
Is there something like a writer's block? You're right. I once listening to this famous comedian called Jerry Seinfeld. So writer's block के बारे में वो बात कर रहे थे कि ये क्या होता है writer's block. He said, I have a practice जहाँ पर एक वो legal paper आता है ना बड़ा सा, वो लेता हूँ और एक पेन लेता हूँ और रोज एक फिक्स टाइम है वहां पर मैं लेकर के बैठ जाता हूँ और लिखना है उस टाइम पे. इफ आई हैव अ ब्लॉक, ठीक है, ओके, देयर इज राइटर्स ब्लॉक, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, बट इन दैट 1 hour you cannot do anything else. Sit with that piece of paper and pen for an hour and then come back to me after an hour and tell me if you still have writer's block. See, writer's block happens, we're busy on our phones, talking to friends, roaming around. If you force yourself into it, you might end up writing something, and that may or may not turn well. So now you have two very amazing poets, and then of course a writer who's very experienced, as friends who you can always consult to. I'm sure they will not mind at all. And speaking of chaos, I'll move on to Tejaswini. All the